Team Region, manggo dapat ako.
To our supporters and parents, we are asking for your patience and understanding. Our electrical engineers are working on the air conditioning system that we are right now having. And this is an unforeseen venue problem, so I yung dispensa and definitely we are working on it. Thank you so much. Also calling Maria Miguela Colanse of Alubining Taekwondo Academy. Maria Miguela Colanse of Alubining Taekwondo Academy. This is your first match, court number 6. Thank you. We are asking for Coach Andrew Paul Rodel. Here's in fronting court number 9, please. Nalang i-inquire sa inyo, sir. Court number 9, Sir Paul Rodel. Once again, Sir Andrew Paul Rodel, we're asking for your presence here. There is court number 9. Nalang i-inquire sa iyo, sir, for your player na si Jasley Rihanna Molino. And also for Coach Roland Robles. We're asking for your presence. There is court number 9, please. Kaya namin i-confirm regarding Rhea May Falia. Thank you so much, sir. Calling our grade school female black belt, Zach Myrie Cadulong, Martina Angela Arzuena, and Monique Andrada. Kendra Nicole Ann, please proceed to court number 3 right now. Coach Andrew Paul Rodel. Coach Andrew Paul Rodel. Your presence is needed here, fronting court number 9. Announcer's table. Thank you.
Jam.
Calling the coach of Kapulong College. Please proceed to the inspection area, please, right now. Wala pang player, sir. And also Notre Dame of Pinsayap. Coach of Notre Dame Pinsayap. Sir, calling the coach of Notre Dame of Pinsayap. Please proceed to the inspection area. Our player is not yet here. We are delaying matches right now.
We would like to announce that food are not allowed inside the facility. You can have your meals at the hallways. We would like to announce that food is not inside allowed inside the facility. Please bear in mind that we will be penalized if there are food found inside the facility. Thank you.
Pwede na nakauna daw sa lobby. Thank you so much sa inyong cooperation. Palihog ko sa coach sa St. Mary's College, Iligan City Central School, and HOTC Burogutan Elementary School. Your players, sir, si Zach Myrie Catulong, our player Monique Andrada and Kendra Nicole Ann, is needed right now sa court number 3, sorry.